To get started with drop shipping on Temu, you'll need to download the Temu application, either from the App Store or by visiting the website at www.temu.com. Once you've set up your account, you can proceed with the verification process. After completing the verification, you can explore the various features and applications available on Temu. Upon logging into your account, you'll find several options on the homepage, including the ability to view your store, categories, and account settings. However, it's essential to note that Temu currently does not offer a drop shipping program. If you're interested in this feature, you can suggest it to Temu's customer service. In the meantime, you can utilize other platforms that provide drop shipping options. Temu's application is still worth exploring, as it offers a seamless and user-friendly experience. By familiarizing yourself with the features and applications, you can make the most of what Temu has to offer.